This math lesson is to teach Years 5 and 6 students the difference between prime and composite numbers. A prime number is a whole number that only has two factors, itself and 1. A composite number has factors in addition to 1 and itself. Let me explain what I mean by that. Some whole numbers can be divided up evenly and some can't. For example, 6 can be divided evenly by 2 or by 3, but 7 cannot be divided up evenly. In other words, when a number can be divided up evenly, it is a composite number. When a number cannot be divided up evenly, it is a prime number. Another way to express this is, when the only two factors of a number are 1 and the number, then it is a prime number. What about the number 1? 1 is neither a prime or a composite number. What is a factor? Look at this sum. 2 times 3 equals 6. The numbers 2 and 3 are factors. Factors are the numbers you multiply together to get another number. Now, let's look at an example of a composite number. Sometimes a number can be divided evenly many ways. For example, 12 can be divided evenly by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 1 times 12 equals 12, 2 times 6 equals 12, 3 times 4 equals 12. So 12 is a composite number. Let us now look at an exercise where we can work out all the prime numbers up to 100. Draw up a large grid of numbers from 1 to 100. It should look something like this. Cross off number 1 because all prime numbers are greater than 1. Put a cross through the number 1 on your grid. Number 2 is a prime number. We keep it, but we need to cross off all the multiples of 2. That is, all even numbers. Number 3 is also a prime number. So again, we keep it and cross off all multiples of 3. The next number is 5 because 4 has already been crossed off. We keep it and cross off all the multiples of 5. The final number left on the first row is number 7. Now cross off its multiples. And you're finished. All of the surviving numbers on your grid are prime numbers. The numbers you should have left on your grid that have not been crossed off are listed here. These are all the prime numbers under 100. Congratulations! You now have an understanding of the difference between prime and composite numbers.